Hello everyone, today I will show you how to write documents in multiple columns in Microsoft Office Word. Here you can see I have written a document which have 3 columns. So how can we write any documents with multiple columns like this? First of all, I will take a new page. I will click on new, blank page. So here we have the blank page. Suppose I want to write documents in multiple columns, so I have to click on page layout. Here you can see columns. You have to select the number of columns you want. By default it is 1. Here you can see 2, 3, left, right, and you can click on more columns. From here you can write down the total number of columns. So if you have 3 columns, write down 3 and then click on OK. Now you have to write down the text. I'm writing the text. So here you can see we have created 3 columns. If you need more columns, you can do it so easily.